What's up everyone, this is Patrick. I'm going to show you guys a little project I'm working on. Before, you probably need a little background on this. Moore Norman is going to OU in a couple of weeks for an engineering competitions, and one of the competitions that you were allowed to enter is a competition to propel ping pong balls into coffee cans. Now most people would decide to make some kind of gun device or something they could manually shoot and aim at the cans. Well, I really wanted to impress the judges, so I'm actually going to make a robot do the aiming and firing for me. So what I have here is a very, very early stage of what's going to happen. I use Legos, of course, to hold this together because I don't have access to PVC pipe or any awesome tools like that. That's what Moore Norman's for. Anywho, what we're going to do is I have this servo down here controlling the x-axis movement, and I have this servo right here controlling the y-axis movement. Now this is going to be the quote-unquote barrel. Now you may ask what's driving this awesome circuit. What we have here is an Arduino microcontroller, which may I say is probably the coolest thing I've purchased in a while. I got this controller actually for only $20. So this is what I personally programmed all of this into. I program all the controls, all the debugging, everything. This is a circuit that's blah. The cool thing is, however, how I'm controlling this robot, or not the robot, but this specifically, is with my keyboard. And awesomely enough, I'm using WASD, which may sound familiar to all you gamers. Now, the program I'm using to communicate to the serial port, aka COM4, is Terraterm, and it's pretty cool. And I have this built-in debug menu to keep everything right. So, what we have here is this little turret-looking thing that I can move. Now the cool thing is, it can move a couple degrees like this to get really accurate, or it can move in full strides. Now that'll keep it so it's not too slow, but it's also pretty accurate. So I can zoom in on it. And of course later in this project I'll be attempting to implement some kind of vision system to identify the coffee cans and launch a projectile. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this. Patrick out.